You pick up your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and suddenly there's a banner saying verification failed or your Apple ID is not available. Maybe iCloud won't sign in, maybe you are locked out completely. Maybe you have tried your password 3 times and now you are worried your account is compromised. First, take a breath. This is almost never as serious as it looks. Apple ID and iCloud sign in errors are frustrating, but they are almost always caused by software glitches, network hiccups, date and time issues, or Apple's own servers having a bad moment. The fixes are straightforward once you know what to look for. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through every fix step by step for every device iPhone, iPad, and Mac. By the end of this tutorial, you should be signed in and everything back to normal. Let's get started. Before we fix anything, let's identify exactly what you're seeing because different error messages point to different causes. Here are the most common ones. Verification failed. There was an error connecting to Apple ID server. This error usually occurs when there's a network or server issue. Your Apple ID or password is incorrect, wrong credentials, or a locked account. This Apple ID has been disabled for security reasons. Apple has flagged suspicious activity or too many failed login attempts. Apple ID verification failed with a spinning wheel that never resolves, software glitch, date and time issue, or carrier issue. iCloud is currently unavailable, Apple server may be down. Knowing which error you're seeing tells you where to start. I will cover all of them. Let's go from fastest fix to the deepest fix. Check Apple's system status page. Sometimes the issue is on Apple's side. Visit the official Apple system status page. Check whether these services are working. Apple ID, iCloud account and sign in, App Store, iCloud backup. If servers are down, you will need to wait until Apple fixes the outage. Check your date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings often cause verification issues. On iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Date and Time and make sure Set Automatically is enabled. On a Mac, open System Settings, go to General, select Date and Time and enable Automatic Time Settings. Check your internet connection. Apple ID verification requires a stable internet connection. Try these quick fixes. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router, turn airplane mode on and off, and open Safari and test websites. If the internet is unstable, iCloud verification may fail. Sign out and sign back into your iCloud account. Refreshing Apple ID sessions can fix authentication problems. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap on your name, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. After signing out, restart your device, then sign back in. On a Mac, open System Settings, click your Apple ID, and then select Sign Out. Then sign in again. Toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces your iPhone or iPad to drop all network connections and rebuild them from scratch. It often clears up temporary network glitches that cause verification errors. Here's how to do it. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Then tap on the airplane mode icon. Wait 15 seconds and turn airplane mode off. Wait for your cellular and Wi-Fi to reconnect and then try iCloud sign in again. Simple, fast and surprisingly effective. Next, restart your device. Temporary software bugs can interfere with Apple ID authentication. To restart your iPhone or iPad, hold the power button and volume up or down button simultaneously, slide to power off, and then turn the device back on. To restart your Mac, click the Apple menu and then select Restart. Then try signing into iCloud again. Reset your Apple ID password. If your password was recently changed or compromised, verification may fail. Visit iforgot.apple.com and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After resetting your password, try signing into iCloud again. Check two-factor authentication. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Apple ID, which you should, every new sign-in sends a verification code to your trusted devices or phone number. If that code isn't arriving or you are not entering it correctly, you will get a verification failure. Code not arriving? Go to appleid.apple.com. Lost access to your trusted device? You can request the code via SMS to your phone number instead. Code expired? Tap resend to get a fresh one. Wrong code? Make sure you are entering the code from the most recent message. And changed phone number, update your trusted number at appleid.apple.com. Reset network settings. If you're consistently getting verification errors on a specific device and nothing else has worked, there might be a corrupted network configuration on that device. Bad DNS setting, a stuck VPN profile, or a broken Wi-Fi configuration. Corrupted network settings can block Apple ID servers. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app, tap on General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Your Wi-Fi passwords will be removed, so reconnect afterwards. Unlock a disabled or locked Apple ID. This happens when too many incorrect password attempts were made, Apple detected suspicious activity on your account, or your account triggered an automated security lock. You will usually see a message like this: Apple ID has been disabled for security reasons, or your account has been locked. Here's what you need to do. Go to appleid.apple.com on any web browser. Click Forgot Apple ID or password. Enter your Apple ID email address. Follow the account unlock steps. Apple will verify your identity via your trusted phone or email. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password and the lock will be lifted. If you can't complete the unlock process online, call Apple support directly at 1-800-APL-CARE. They can verify your identity manually and unlock your account. Update iOS, iPadOS or macOS. Software bugs can prevent successful Apple ID verification. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. On Mac, open System Settings, go to General and select Software Update. Let's run through all the fixes one more time. Check Apple System Status page, set date and time to automatic, check your internet connection, sign out and sign back into iCloud, toggle airplane mode on and off, restart your device, reset your Apple ID password, fix two-factor authentication, reset network settings, unlock a disabled Apple ID, update iOS, iPadOS or macOS, and contact Apple support. And that's everything you need to do to fix Apple ID verification failures and iCloud sign-in issues. I know how stressful it is when you feel locked out of your account. Hopefully, this video got you back in quickly. If it helped, please give it a thumbs up. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this fix. Drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you, or if you are still having trouble, I will do my best to help you troubleshoot in the comments. Subscribe if you want more Apple tips and tech fixes that actually work. See you in the next video.